Yo, 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 welcome to the show.
Hey y'all, what is up? Welcome back to another video. It's been a while, I know. It's January 13th, 5:06 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Happy New Year to everyone. Thanks. If you're new to this channel, thanks for coming. We usually do dividend updates and like portfolio overview. I just have a Robinhood portfolio. Actually, I have a brokerage and a Roth IRA. I haven't really made any Roth IRA videos, but I will. That's on my list of things to do. Welcome if you're new. Thanks for coming back if you are coming back. In this video, we're going to do pretty much an overview and a dividend update for December. Dividends were like crazy for December, at least for my portfolio. It's our biggest month yet. Very excited to share my profits with you guys. So without further ado, we're just gonna go over the overview, the timestamps here. On the day, it's Saturday. We're still down though, 0.05%, almost $5 for the week. Oh, if you're new, by the way, my computer is slow as hell, so just bear with me. For the week, we're down 0.58%, $56, $57 for the month. I think we're down as well. Yeah, about a percent at $103. 3 months we should be up. 4.65% we are up. $434. Year to date, which is kind of just 2 weeks, we're still down 2.75%. $276. For the year, which is kind of like pretty much 2023, right? We're up $1,306, about 15.5%. So you can see these are my holdings. I have a Ford option here expiring June 21. I believe it's a $12 strike call. So pretty much I'm saying I'm expecting Ford to be trading above $12 by June 21. I'm already down $9. Ford has been taking a little bit of a beating, but it's something we still believe in. Just it was like an $80 option. Thought it was worth the risk. Anyways, we're gonna talk about our dividends now. You can see we're filtered brokerage dividends. And yeah, starting with December, our last payment for November was 80 cents from Nusi. And then the next one after that was Ford, the company we were just talking about. They're a strong dividend payer. I think they have like a 10% yield. Wild. I know it's wild. Let's see if that sustains itself. But nonetheless, we made $2.79. I went around these, but since it's a dividend, I'm just gonna say the real number. But 15 cents a share, almost 20 shares, almost 19 shares really. We made that amount. Visa, I've made 17 cents from that. You guys can see the number of shares I have, the amount of shares, the amount per share they pay. I don't want to really make this video crazy long, so y'all can see that. And essential utilities, we made 32 cents from that. Got paid on the 5th from Johnston Johnson, $1.03. American Electric Power, AEP, 89 cents on the 8th. The 11th, again, we were paid by ExxonMobil, $1.02. Target, same day, $1.66. Love that. Love Target. Chevron, we made $1.62 from them, paid on the 11th. The 11th, again, a very busy day, a heavy payment from SCHD, $5.51. Absolutely wild. It's the biggest, apart from maybe realty income, it's the biggest payer in my account. It's gonna always look the biggest. I mean, unless I dump more money into something else, because it pays every 3 months quarterly. Realty income pays more, but it breaks it up into months, so it might look not as much. You know what I mean? But love that from SCHD. Where am I? Where am I? Where am I? Love that from SCHD, $5.51. Of course, that's buying more SCHD, and of course, I deposit my own money to buy more shares of that ETF. Microsoft, we got 78 cents from them on the 14th. Love Microsoft, great company. Home Depot, same day, 34 cents. Brunswick, this is again like a marine boats, if you're into that kind of company. 15 cents is what we made from them. We only have a 0.37 shares, so nothing crazy. 15 cents. Hey, it's something. Horizon, we made 54 cents from them on the 15th. Um, yeah, it's a monthly payer. Actually, right here, we were paid again by Horizon. 4.87 shares, 4.87 shares both times. First, they paid 11 cents, then 5 cents. So in total, we made 78 cents from Horizon. I don't know why that happened, how, why. Not sure if it was like a end of year bonus type of thing. But we're grateful, very grateful for that, and yeah, love that. Um, I'm not sure what this thing is on my screen. Anyways, Waste Management, we made 7 cents from them from owning a tenth of a share, so nothing crazy to say the least. Royalty income $1.77. So like I was saying before, like if this paid quarterly, this would be like $3, 3.44, and then like $5.20, right? So probably still less than SCHD, but yeah, it's a strong payer as well. Realty income, don't sleep on that. And then it's monthly, so I like the monthlies. I feel like they snowball quicker, and it's just something to look forward to. McDonald's, we made 51 cents from that. Paid on the 15th again. Like a lot of these are on the 15th, which it was a heavy day, the 15th. We made $1.20 from Coca-Cola on the 15th as well. Why is this thing on my screen? From Spy, 48 cents on not the 15th, on the 22nd, the 21st, and then we were paid $1.31 from Nusi, 22nd, and finally, this is our last one for the year of 2023. $1.64 we made from VTI from owning 1.6 shares. Oh, they paid a $1 a share. Very convenient. 1.64 shares made $1.64. So that was my dividends for the month of December. And now we're gonna jump over to my spreadsheet. For December right here, December 2023, you can see we have a total of $24.88. Just crazy. I can't believe I was paid $25 for, just owning stocks. It's money I could have taken out of my account and, maybe bought myself a steak dinner or something. A cheap steak, but still a steak. For for the year of 2023, we made almost $100 in dividends. Um, $96.85 per month. That works out to $8.07, and per day, and this is a 24-hour day, not just like an 8-hour, 9-hour work day. 24 hours per day, we'd be making $27 for every day of just owning these stocks, assuming things continue as they are right now. Nothing crazy for the month, I mean, at least I could pay for my Hulu, Spotify subscription. I pay $5.99 a month. I think I could use my dividends to pay for that theoretically. Low key, I could treat myself to something from the dollar menu every week from McDonald's. If I'm making 27 cents a day, I'm making enough in 7 days. Should I do the math? I'm making enough in 7 days to buy myself something cheap from the dollar menu if I want to treat myself every Saturday night. So that's the idea, guys. Slowly build that income up. Um, yeah, just my biggest month. Love it, absolutely love it. We can look at the dividend graph here. Oh yeah, right here. December blows everything out of the water. It's absolutely crazy. $25 here. Our next biggest month would be September. Would have been September, and you can see it's always the third. Is it the third quarter that like shoots up? You can see the graph follows some kind of like pattern, like high, low, higher, high, low, higher. You get what I mean? So I'm just gonna see how that goes. I'm trying to diversify myself, but then I also want to invest heavily in things like SCHD, which is already a huge payer, SPY, VTI, things like that. I know are more stable, a lot safer, and all that. So Just gonna see how life goes, how 2024 goes. You can see we're already racking some numbers up for January 2024. Loving how that's going. It should definitely be higher than the January 23 uh, column here, and then the cumulative graph. It should start higher. You know what I mean? So honestly, just loving where the portfolio is going. Hopefully, by the end of the year, we can at least meet our 10K goal. We're about $200, $300 under that right now. I'm just gonna continue investing as I've been doing. Whatever I feel like I need to invest in, I will. If I need to invest heavier, I will like try to put more money in if the market's going down. Just be wise, just be smart, just be calm, not too emotional. It's the idea going forward. But thank you guys so much for watching. One more time, my portfolio, we're sitting at $7,773.92, $12.29 buying power. It would be nice if this option at least 100 like doubled. That'd be pretty sweet. It's you know I just wanted to do something wild, and I did that yesterday. I bought it. All right. But thank you all so much for watching. I will see you in the next video.